How's it going, everybody? My name is RndmBlkGuy, and today on Tech Taylor, we're going to be going over 5 tech which would be perfect Valentine's gifts for her. Now, each one of these techs are really easy to find, so if you need to round right out and get one, because right now by the time you watch this video, it's either going to be the 13th or the 14th, so you're already kind of at the last minute. These gifts are going to be easy to find and really practical. And I believe, for the reason I'm going to state, that she's going to really like them. With that, let's go ahead and start with the first one. The first one I really do want to mention is the tile products. Now, all the tiles are basically a way of trying to find a lot of stuff that you might have misplaced. You'll take something like this, which is like the wallet size, pull it in the wallet, put it in a bag, anywhere else. And that way you can actually track where that unit goes, either by trying to just hit the sound or try to track it with GPS. But the cool thing about these is they can also work in reverse. Let's say, because they pair with your phone, but you kind of missed your phone, so without the phone you can't really find out where these are. However, if you have these and your phone's missing, then you can hit the middle button on here to send a signal to the phone to kind of have the phone play out. That way you can also find your phone too. Now, if she loses both, kind of out of luck there. However, there's a chance that if you have a bunch of these, because with the prices are, you can actually kind of get a different, like 4 packs and get the keychain one. There is a good chance that you'll at least have one of these available to find the other products. Another product I do like talking about are the Fire Stick and Roku TV. Mainly, these are for people who love watching movies. Maybe she likes that one movie that she always wants to keep seeing on Netflix, and she's okay with seeing it until Netflix finally kicks it out. But she also wants something that she can use anywhere. With the Roku and the Fire TVs, you can pretty much play them in any television as long as they have a HDMI, or if you get the older Roku, you can also use them with the composite cable. Either or, as long as it has the apps inside of it, which are the most important thing anyway, you can be able to watch all your content on it locally on the device, or pretty much with any internet connection. These are really good because they don't really require too much to set up, and once they are set up, this pretty much as easy as using the remote to turn it on and to hit all the different apps and everything to start browsing away. These devices can go a long way, and they also have extra features that she may or may not like, but it's always nice to kind of have it, so when she might like it, and you go ahead and try it out. Another product that I feel like she would like, and these are probably the more common ones, is of course the smart AIs. Now there are 4 out, so you can find one that will be a perfect fit for her with as simple as these one-liner for each one. If she has a lot of Apple products already, she's definitely gonna like the HomePod to already work with what she has. If she likes being able to connect a lot of things, as well as have a lot of functionality with her devices and be able to pick different versions of the product, then of course the Echo products are the best way to go at that. If she has any of the Android products or any of the casting options anywhere around the house, then having the Google Home to be able to talk to those devices, as well as come up with better search queries than any of the other ones, then of course the Google Home would be probably the best choice for that one. And of course, last, if she's really just likes having more like office space and a nice speaker and everything, something that can connect to her calendar, then the Invoke will probably be the option to kind of go with that. There's a lot of different versions of all these products and other products that are also incorporating the AIs with them. So it won't be hard to find one that will perfectly fit her, and of course will last a long time. Another product I do want to talk about are these smart plugs. With the smart plugs, you'll be able to plug these in any outlet and be able to control them with your smartphone. This is good because let's say if she has curling iron, she uses it every morning, and she doesn't know if she turned it off or on, or she left it on, or it's hanging by a thread somewhere. She can use her phone to be able to kill the outlet that is plugged up to know for sure that it's not powered on. And that's that's just one of the kind of those safety measures. There's a lot of other ways or things you can use the smart plugs for, but for common uses, I think that's probably going to be the one that you might appreciate the most. Just another little worry to kind of push away. Last thing I do want to talk about are the Keurig and the Nespresso machines. Now, either or, these products are very good, but they both have very wildly different reasons of having them. But for her, if she really likes coffee, she's gonna like either or. Either A, she really likes having a lot of different flavors and maybe going the Keurig, or maybe she actually likes the quality of the coffee but doesn't want to wait forever for it to cook or, you know, heat up and everything like that. Then of course going with an espresso will be the better option. Both of these have completely different sizes that you can work with. One that are so miniature that they're pretty much travel size to anywhere that you go, and some that you can even just take to work. The pods aren't really all that much. I said that in the video when I was talking about the Keurig that I bought. The pods, you know, they're $5 for like 12. It's not really such a big deal. And I mean, you could buy boxes with so many different flavors and everything that it's going to be maybe more of a fun experience. Again, if she likes tasting different coffee, that she will probably love to see which flavor that she'll actually like the most. With that, those are the 5 products that I feel that she will like the most. And you can get those out now. They should be able to find them anywhere again. But let's say if you just have all these products already, or you know she's not gonna like any of them, but you're still pretty much running out of time to try and get her something. Well, there's only one option left to do. Jonah. And that is just to get a puppy. Girls love puppies. With that, hopefully everything that you saw today will be helpful in this Valentine's Day or future Valentine's Day if you see this again. And thank you for watching the video. If you like to hit the like button. If you like the content that I have, please hit the subscribe button. If you think anybody else can really use some help right now, please share this video with them and comment down below for any tech that you also will feel that it will be a good option and get someone for Valentine's Day. With that being said, hopefully everything that you saw today will help you make a better and a more informed decision on Valentine's Day.